Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you the list comprehensions with the help of the range function. So list comprehension is basically a shortcut that you can have. Instead of writing a big for loop or multiple lines of for loop, what you can do is simply use one line of code to create a list. So if you remember from my previous videos on the dictionary, we have used the dictionary comprehension where we had seen multiple examples about the one line of code can really achieve the bigger results which you would probably achieve with the help of the multiple lines within a for loop or if else condition. So we'll try to do similar sort of thing with the lists as well. So here what I'll do is, let me first create one very basic list with the help of a list comprehension. So what I will do is, I will create a dummy list and I will say I for I in range 11. Remember that last number will not count, so you will get 0 to 10, and I for I in range 11. Well, that's pretty much it you need to do. And if I execute this and print you the list, well, you will get 1 to 10. Otherwise you would have to first use the I as define it to a 0 and then create a new variable for variable that will iterate in a range, and in the second line you will going to print the value or store the values in a dummy list and then call a function. But now here we are simply using one line of code to create our list. Now if we want, we can even perform some sort of an expression. So for example, power list, and what I'm saying is I power I, that means zeros to the power 0, 1 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, things like that with the help of this power function. And for I in range 11, and let's get our power list, and here is our output. So 0 to the power 0 is always 1, and then 1, then 4, then 27, then 256. So as you can see, not only we can create a simple list, but we can even specify an expression like this with the help of the operators, or if there is some other sort of an expression that we want to write that involves processing on each of the element, well, then you can apply that. So this is about how you can create or use the list comprehensions, not only to create simple list but also to perform the operations on the list with the help of some sort of an expression. Now in the next video I will meet you with some more extension to it so that you can further process it for some conditions and all.